Alright, so this is the STL directory review for the Locknut. This is a very important piece, and it should be built to be the maximum amount of strength. So, what I'm going to do, the ones that you should care about are this one, and they do need to be rescaled. You want to rescale this as 10 to 1, or 10%. So just put a 10% in here, and it'll rescale to the proper size. And the thing to do is you can turn the infill up to 100%. It's not really going to matter too much because of what the other things we're going to do. I am going to go into the properties and use 5 vertical cell perimeters and just increase these numbers to 25, something arbitrarily high, so that when it gets built, this is going to look like this, and it's basically just solid infill. Now the only other Locknut I recommend using is this angled Locknut because it has the teeth that are angled. If you're going for a draw rate of 15 pounds or more, this is a good idea. It might degrade the accuracy just a little bit, but it keeps the string from misfiring, because what happens is that at 15 pounds or more, this can deform, and these teeth will want to be pulled out, and the string will want to slip around them.